So, welcome back children. Today in decimals we are going to do word problems. Let us start. If the cost of 12 books is 424 rupees 80 paise, what is the cost of one book? Here the information for many is given and they have asked for one book. So it is a case of division. So we can write cost of 12 books equal to 424.80 rupees. What is the cost of one book? Therefore, cost of one book is equal to how much? Now suppose children you are confused whether this is a case of multiplication or division. You can do one more thing is please write this statement and then you can place books under books and rupees under rupees. So they have asked us what is the amount. So that is a question mark. So if you cross multiply 1 into 424.50, it is any number multiplied by 1 is 424.80, the number itself, and what is remaining? 12 is remaining. So always what you do, you cross multiply these both numbers and whatever is remaining has to be divided. So by this method also you can find out whether this word problem is a multiplication or a division. So let us start dividing. 1 into 424 is 424.80. So 424.80 divided by 12, right? So first we will take 42. So 12 3s are 36. 42 minus 36 is 6. Bringing down 4. Okay. So 4 if I bring down it is 64. 12 5s are 60. 4 is remaining and before bringing down 8 you can see there is a decimal here. So that we will place in the quotient and then bring down 8. So 12 4s are 48 and then last is this 0 we will be bringing down. So 12 zeros are 0. So we have got the remainder as 0 and we have got the quotient also as 35.40. So this is nothing but where is the question mark? Under rupees. So this is also rupees 34.40 paise. So you can say cost of one book is 35 rupees 40 paise. Hope you understood children. So let us go to the next problem. So our next problem is question number 6. Okay. A shopkeeper sold 8 mobiles for rupees 1,98,806. So here the cost of 8 mobiles is given. And how much does each cost? That means what are they asking? What is the cost of one mobile? So you can write cost of 8 mobiles is equal to rupees 198,806, right? Therefore, cost of one mobile is equal to, so you understood children what we have to do? Yeah, this is also a case of division because if you cross multiply this and this, it is anything number multiplied by 1 is the number itself and what is remaining 8 and that has to be divided. So let us start. 198,806 divided by 8. So 8 2s are 16, 38, 8 4s are 32, 8 minus 2 6, then I will bring down this 8, 68, 8 8s are is 64 and then I will be bringing down this 0, 40, 8 5s are 40 and then last I will be bringing down this 6. But if you see this 6, this is smaller than 8, so it will not be divisible. So I will be writing 8 zeros are 0 and then bringing down 6 and adding one 0 in the dividend, and when I bring down this 0, I will be placing a point here. Okay. So 8 7s are 56, 40, 8 5s are 40. So you do not have to stop division unless you get the remainder as 0. Now you can see the quotient is 24850.75 rupees. So you can say the cost of one mobile is 24,850.75 paise. So hope you understood, children. Let us go to the last problem. If a ribbon of 7.4 meter long is cut into pieces of 1.4 centimeter each, how many pieces will we get? So they are saying that there is a ribbon. Okay, let us draw a straight ribbon. Okay, this length of this ribbon is 71.4 centimeter. Okay, and they are going to cut this into smaller pieces of 1.4 centimeter. So 1.4 centimeter. So like this, how many pieces will we get? Okay, so you can take an example. Suppose there is a small ribbon of 10 meter and you cut it into 2 meters each. So how many pieces are you getting? So this is one piece, 2 meters, to second piece, third piece, fourth piece and fifth piece. So if there is a ribbon of 10 meter and you are dividing it into two pieces, so you will get 5 pieces. So what did we do? We divided the total centimeter into the number of pieces. So let us do the same thing here. 71.4 divided by 1.4. Now this is the total length of ribbon and this is the centimeter of each piece. So let us divide this. Now we have learnt in division of decimal by a decimal that there should be no decimal in the divisor. So we will be multiplying this by 10 so that it becomes a whole number. Why are we multiplying it with 10? Because it is a decimal place with one number. So multiplying the dividend and divisor. So when you multiply, it goes to one place towards your right. So this becomes 14. 14.0 is nothing but 14. And this also comes to the end, 714.0. So this is nothing but 714 divided by 14. So let us divide this. 14 divided by 714. So 14 5s is 70. When you bring down 1 and then 4, 14 1s are 14. So you can see we have got the quotient as 51 pieces. So our answer is, how many pieces we will get? We will get 51 pieces. That's all in this class, children. See you next class with many more sums. Bye.